And welcome back. So we did stay dry through most of the daylight hours today as the snow did move west-east across the region. Otherwise, we did have mostly cloudy skies and temperatures actually did reach the mid 20s for highs. Here's a look at the tower cam time lapse, and as you can see, the snow showers starting right as the sun was setting and lasting through the rest of the evening. Here's a look at the high temperatures across the region today. Near 20 out toward Broken Bow, Ogallala, Lexington. There's your 26 at North Platte, but a high of 32 at Imperial, with Valentine only reaching 30. A little bit of a surge of warm air before the snow came in, and then we got the extreme cold. Here's a look at the current air temperatures. Near 9 below zero, Ogallala, Imperial, North Platte, and Broken Bow. 7 below at Lexington, but near 15 below out toward Valentine and Hyannis. Combine that with a wind from a northerly direction between 20 and 40 miles per hour sustained, and some of the stronger gusts still around 35, maybe even up to 45 miles per hour. That's blowing around some of the snow, so we do have reduced visibility across the region. Some less than a mile of visibility as you make your way north of North Platte. 1.25 mile visibility out toward Broken Bow, Valentine, Imperial, and 3/4 mile visibility at Lexington. Visibility at North Platte around 3 miles. And here's a look at the wind chill values across the region. We're going to be keeping our eyes on this as we go through the next 48 hours or so. Wind chill values right now in most places between 35 and 45 below zero. Because of that wind chill warning in effect until noon Central Time on Saturday for the entire viewing area, and because of the blowing snow and the slippery roads, we do have a winter weather advisory in effect until 6 a.m. on Friday, and that is for the entire viewing area once again. Here's a look at the Doppler radar. So we are still mainly dry across, say, areas North Platte, Ogallala, Broken Bow, Point Soft in the north, even a little bit of clearing up toward Valentine, but the heaviest and steadiest snow has moved into our southern and eastern counties, so south of Broken Bow, including Gothenburg, Lexington, Curtis, Points off to the south. Still some light to moderate intensity snow across the region. High pressure did work its way off to our south and to our east, briefly giving us that warm surge that got us into the 20s, but this low has moved over us on the backside, the cool side. We're seeing the snow showers, and this is a pretty strong cold front. There's that direct flow to the Arctic, really just filtering in that cold air. This high is going to be our next weather maker. It's going to take a while for it to crest over us. We're going to be in its cool side all the way until the start of the weekend, then we'll warm up pretty quickly. So as we make our way through the next couple of hours, we'll lose the snow showers in our southern and eastern counties. Temperatures continuing to plummet. Actually could see some sunshine when it rises because we're going to have clear skies. Mid-teens below zero for overnight low air temperatures, and then we're only going to rebound to around 5 below zero for a high tomorrow. Still windy northwesterly winds. Clear skies back down to around 10 to 15 below zero to start off your Friday morning. And then we will rise about 20 to 25 degrees. That puts us around 8 above zero for a high temperature for the day on Friday. Still a good amount of sunshine. Could still be a little breezy on Friday. So on the cool side of that high pressure system, and the door is open to the Arctic all the way through the start of the weekend, but the high quickly moves off to the east, and we'll get that nice southerly flow. Temperatures warming up pretty quickly through the 20s, 30s, 40s, and even 50s through the weekend and to start next week as we stay mainly dry. Not a lot left of this snowfall across the region. Any additional snow maybe from Lexington Points off to the south and east, the light blue shading an additional 1 to 3 inches, but it looks like it's almost over for the region. Now we have to deal with the cold air, a high of 3 below zero tomorrow. Still a weather alert day for extremely cold temperatures. Breezy to windy through Friday, lots of sunshine, a high of 10, 22 on Saturday, and 43 on Sunday. Partly to mostly cloudy skies over the weekend, near 40 on Monday, and then we keep mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies Tuesday into Wednesday with highs in the low to mid 50s. Kent?
All right, thanks so much, Justin. And coming up, Santa Claus is not the only person preparing for a long